Hi there, students. Animal onomatopoeia. Long words. Many of the sounds made by animals give us words. For example, a cow. The noise a cow makes is to moo. Moo. To moo. M-O-O. Okay? So the word sounds like the sound. Onomatopoeia. A horse neighs, neighs, or whinnies. Okay? A horse whinnies. A chicken clucks, cluck, 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 cluck. A wolf howls, ow, ow. Okay. A bird cheeps, cheep, 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 cheep. A bee buzzes, bzz, 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 bzz. Or it can also hum, hum, hum. Okay. A snake hisses. An owl hoots. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A pig can oink. Or grunt, 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 to grunt. And a lion, finally, a lion roar, to roar. A lion roars. So there you go. Some verbs that sound like their meaning. Animal onomatopoeia. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. You could make this video one of your favourites. If you've got any comments, feel free to make them, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.